how to create a website in 2021. I went through GoDaddy and I was scared to make my own website. So I went to them and we went back and forth and I did everything they said and everything else. We had an hour and a half talk and they came back and said, "Hey Papa, we'll do that for $4,000, yeah." And I said, no. I turned around and since I'm through GoDaddy, I went to GoDaddy and I said, I'm just gonna make my own website. I built it in a day. That's right. And it was so awesome. It's not out there yet. It's still private, but it's about another month or month and a half before I put it out there. But it's so cool. I was able to use their tools at no extra cost. Yes, I paid cost, but it was no extra cost. I kept that $4,000 in my pocket. I didn't pay that big cost, did I? But it was interesting how easy it was to create it. You just have to put your mind to it, do it, and it happens. If Papa can do that, you can do that, okay? So I created it for the Papa Texas store, which is coming up soon, but it's not out there yet. All right. If you want to, I'm still learning from all this, but that's the way to go. Save your money. Save your time and money. Don't you want to save time and money? Yes, you do. But it's pretty easy to do it on your own. Yes, Papa. Papa Texas. Check out my main channels. See ya.